What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on DWAC ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this ticker. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we complete or almost complete all 5-wave structure, and this movement was from the end of November till beginning of February. And I also told you that we might have some extension in the 5th wave, and in this case we might hit higher targets. And technically I have to say that it is pure algo trade, because algorithms pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from the swing low to swing high, then 50% retracement is their entry point and negative 0.236 is their price target. So they went from this point long to this one, and they have about, let me show it to you, they have about 33% of potential profits. So it was a very harsh movement to the upside, and then we had an immediate bounce to the downside. And for now I have to say that we hit this range and our 5th wave is right here. And our internal breakdown is like this. This is our 1st wave, this is our 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. And I have to say that we complete all 5-wave structure, and from the investor standpoint, I have to say that my call was at the range of $44.25 as the point where you can accumulate your investment position with this asset. And any other ranges right here was only the trades that I nailed from, for example, from this range to this one for about 25% of potential profits. And I called this retracement and next leg to the upside. You can watch all of my previous video, and my technical analysis is quite accurate. That's why you can rely on my forecast as a part of your due diligence. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. What was the reason of this movement to the upside? And let me show you this. We are on thestreet.com, and this article was published on February 24th, and it's titled DWAC Stock to the Moon, Trump's Truth Social Launch Pleased Investors. And let me quote you this paragraph. First impressions of Truth Social's launch. On February 21st, Truth Social's social media app was finally launched on the App Store, and the first impact on DWAC's stock was positive. In spite of temporary service limitations, the Truth Social app quickly became the most downloaded new app in the App Store. Reports from users indicate that nearly 400,000 people are now on a waiting list to join the platform. The company also released a statement saying that the app would be operating at full steam by the end of March. Currently, Truth is available on Apple, but not Android devices. The high initial demand for the platform has excited investors. On the day of the platform's launch, February 21st, the stock market was closed for President's Day. However, on the 22nd of February, DWAC shares jumped more than 10%. So, this movement to the upside was the launch of their platform on App Store, and I've told you on my previous video that if this news will be the major news for the majority of retail first of all investors, definitely we might see next leg to the upside. And this forecast was the real forecast and was 100% legit. So, and what are the downsides for now for this asset? Let me show you this article. On February 25 on Seeking Alpha, we have this article that is titled "Is DWAC stock a good investment for long-term investors?" And the summary is: DWAC's upcoming merger with TMTG has propelled shares higher. Truth Social has received a lot of interest and could reach 1 million users in a way shorter period of time compared to Twitter and others. User interest may not necessarily be sticky, however. On top of that, sign-ups do not guarantee commercial success at all. And I 100% agree with this statement. So definitely for now we have a lot of great news for the short-term catalyst, but from the fundamental standpoint, from the investor standpoint, first of all we have to see a lot of proofs that they have a reliable business model, and they have a good number of daily active users, and they have at least some kind of revenue from these users, and so on and so forth. So, from the investor standpoint, I highly recommend you not to enter the position with this asset, especially at these high prices, because all in all, if my Elliott wave breakdown is correct, and let me delete unnecessary tools, if we complete all 5 wave structure from the end of November till the end of February, definitely we have to have a retracement, and this retracement should be massive in the terms of time. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis itself, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next from this asset? First of all, if it is the case, and if we complete all 5 wave structure, for now, I think it is the real case, we have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of entire movement to the top, and we have to adjust this tool right here. And the Fibonacci levels shows the potential levels of the price action. So, as you can see, for now we have very good reaction from 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level. It is the price point of $79.22, and we have a bounce. Most likely we will see the trend continuation. You might already know the 5 waves structure should have at least a simple zigzag retracement, and we don't have this structure yet. And definitely, if my 5th wave breakdown is incorrect, we might have one small leg to the upside, but for now it is very unlikely to have this leg. That's why I don't suggest you to enter even your swing trade long position with this asset, because most likely we will have next leg to the downside, and if it is the case, we might have something like this. We might have I don't think that it is the A wave, even the A wave on a greater scale. We might have only A wave in an A wave, and this wave should have a shape of 3 or 5 wave structure. So this means we might have A wave somewhere lower right here. Then we have to have a B wave, and we have to land our C wave retracement to complete the entire movement to the downside. So technically, I have to say that you can catch some bounces, and these bounces might be, for example, from the 0.5 range, and we have to have next leg to the upside to form our B wave, and then we might have another leg to the downside. But this retracement, this point might be very tricky to catch, because nobody knows how deep it will go and how high will be the top of the B wave. This means it is very difficult to properly manage your position, to accumulate your position for the swing trades, for the long position. And that's why I don't recommend you to do so for those of you who are not the experienced trader. And from the investor standpoint, you have to wait until we'll see lower price action, because all in all, for now, we don't have major fundamental news from the investor standpoint that might drive the price of this company higher in the long term. That's why just patiently wait. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!